Hello everyone, welcome back to the Articulate Studio, the place where English becomes easy, interesting, and powerful. Today, we're going to talk about the mistakes you should never make in English. Every English learner makes mistakes, and that's totally okay, but the difference between a good learner and a great speaker is that the great speaker learns from every mistake. So stay with me till the end, because I'll not only tell you the common mistakes but also teach you how to fix them with examples, idioms, and phrasal verbs. Let's begin.
He do versus he does. He do his work. It is wrong. He does his work. It is correct. Remember, with he, she, and it, we always use does. Idiom. Practice makes perfect. Meaning, keep practicing and your English will shine.
I am agree, wrong, I am agree with you, correct, I agree with you. Agree itself is a verb. You don't need am. Pip learn the pattern of verbs. Some don't need helping verbs.
She is married with the doctor. It is wrong. She is married to a doctor. Used to after married. Phrasal verb. Get along. We can also use with, get with, to have a good relationship. For example, he gets along well with her husband.
I am good in English, wrong, I am good in English, correct, I am good at English, always say good at, not good in. Quote, small improvements each day led to big results.
I didn't went there. It is wrong. I didn't went to school yesterday. I didn't go to school yesterday. It is correct. After did, always use the base form of the verb. Go, not went. Idiom. Learn from your mistakes. Meaning, each error helps you grow.
Part 2 vocabulary expression mistakes. He is my cousin brother, wrong, he is my cousin brother, correct, he is my cousin. Cousin already means brother or sister, no need to add. Phrasal verb, point out to show or mention a mistake. Example, let's point out such grammar errors together.
I am having a car. It is wrong. I have a car. It is correct. Have for possession does not take am having. Tip. Use am having only for experiences. I am having lunch. It is not used with possession. It will be used for experiences.
He told that he will come, wrong, he told that he will come, correct, he said that he would come. You said when no object follows, and told when there is one. Example, he told me that he would come. Idiom, say it right or don't say it at all, used humorously.
She is more better. It is wrong. She is more better than before. She is better than before. It is correct. Never use more with comparative adjectives like better. Better is always better. Don't make it more.
He gave me an advice, wrong, he gave me an advice, correct, he gave me some advice, a piece of advice. Advice is uncountable, you can't say an advice. Phrasal verb, think over to consider carefully. Example, think over this rule, it will help you speak correctly. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, please give a like and subscribe to the Articulate Studio. Your support motivates me to bring more lessons like this easy, fun, and practical. Part 3, spoken English mistakes.
I am not understand. It is wrong. I am not understand. I don't understand. It's correct. After am, is, and are. We use adjectives, not action verbs. Phrasal verb. Figure out. To understand. Example. I can't figure out what you mean.
She didn't told me. Wrong. She didn't told me the truth. Correct. She didn't tell me the truth. Again after didn't. Use the base verb. Idiom. Honesty is the best policy. He is very boring. Correct meaning. Depends. If you mean he feels bored, say he is bored. If you mean he makes others bored, say he is boring. Tip. Add feelings. In qualities. She said me to go. Wrong. She said me to go. Correct. She told me to go. Use told when you mention a person.
According to me. According to me, it's right. It is wrong. Correct? In my opinion, it's right. According to me is used for others' views, not your own. Idiom to each his own, meaning everyone has their own opinion.
So my friends, these were the top 15 mistakes that you should never make in English. If you learn to avoid these, your English will sound natural, confident, and fluent. Remember, mistakes are proof that you are trying. Every expert was once a beginner. Phrasal verb. Keep up, continue doing something good. Example, keep up your English practice every day. So keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep shining. This is the Articulate Studio, where English becomes simple and beautiful. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's grow together and make English learning fun for everyone.